Grew up in Penampang, where Kadazan spirits soar, among the boulders and paddy fields, my heart forevermore. Our home's made of strong wood, echoing ancient tales, where hope blooms like wildflowers and dreams set sail. In Penampang, where boulders stand big and tall, hope and dreams never fall. The land of Kadazans, where memories gleam. In Penampang, our hearts find a dream. So here's to Penampang, our Kadazan home, where the boulders remind us we're never alone. In this land where dreams and hope live on, Penampang, where I'll always belong, where I'll always belong. Penampang, where boulders stand big and tall, hope and dreams never fall. The land of Kadazans, where memories gleam.